Hey guys, Danny here from Rhinelander GM. Today we're going to show you the brand new 2019 Sierra AT4. The Sierra AT4 is the off-road edition of the GMC Sierra. We're going to start with the interior and then we'll work our way to the exterior, and you'll really get to see why the AT4, how the AT4 separates itself from the competition. In the interior, you have tons of features that come with it. You got a heated steering wheel, as well as heated seats and ventilated seats for your comfort. You have the integrated trailer brake mixed with the trailering app, makes all of your towing needs nice and easy, as well as integrated navigation to get you to all of those spots. You got blind spot monitor, plus beautiful black leather with Kalahari inserts. You can see that on the seats here. In the back of the cab here, along with the extra 4 inches of legrooms your passengers get, you also have heated seats and a super cool hidden in-seat storage area. So the exterior of the AT4 is way different than anything else that GM has done in the past. You're going to get a factory 2-inch lift that's going to get you ready for all of your off-roading needs, as well as the aggressive all-terrain tires. You're going to have the awesome looking red tow hooks. This guy comes standard with a 5.3 V8 engine. It is also available in a 6.2. As you can see, this version also has the running boards along both sides. You're also going to get a spray-in bed liner. The 2019 Sierras also have a wider and deeper rear bumper step, so that even the biggest work boots can fit in. You also have the MultiPro tailgate that's brand new for GMC this year. With the press of 2 buttons, I have a step up into the vehicle. I can put those steps away, and now I can reach in further. Or now I have a handy dandy workspace and a second layer of cargo. Thanks again for watching. Again, this is Danny from Rhinelander GM. We'd love to be able to show you the AT4, so come on down.